Hi honeybees, today I'm going to be sharing my home tour with you, empty, and then also towards the end there'll be some before and afters of how it's coming together. I really hope that you guys enjoy seeing our new home, and if you are new, please do subscribe. I'll have more fall, Halloween, and Christmas decor coming soon. Don't mind the little footies on the floor there. That's what they wear to make sure it stays nice and clean for us. But I love this floor. What do you guys think? I'm sorry, it's gonna be a little bit echoey since it's empty, but this is actually tile that's made to look like wood, which we did have something similar at our other house, but this looks even more so like real wood. I love it so much. And we're actually going to extend this tile out to the patio. So when you open these big doors here, this slides all the way open. So you have a completely open floor plan like that. And I really do love that too. Also has the trestle ceiling here in the great room, which trestle ceiling's like it has like a little inlet like that with can lights. And then in the front entry, it also has that. Focus. I still need to find a front entry light for right there. I have an idea of what I'm getting, but we're not 100%. Then that's just a closet. But then moving over into the kitchen, this is the beauty for me. I'm so in love. I'm so in love with the kitchen. Now we are thinking about changing out the lights that they have for the chandelier and the sconces, these pendant lights. They're just not our style. They're more industrial looking, but for now we'll work with it. And you guys will get to see what we change them to. The bottom here is all like a gray color, a light gray, and then everywhere else is the white cabinets. And I love that they go up to the ceiling. And then I'll get closer so you guys can see a little bit better details. I'm now standing in the area where our table will be. We have like a little nook here for our table. I love all of the natural light in this house. We will get shutters installed in the house, but we will keep all that open because it's so pretty. Okay, so here's another view of the kitchen. Now all the descriptive items like the countertop details, it's like a grayish white slab, and I believe this is granite, or it might be, I can't think of the other name. Why is that blinking? I will just put the description of this slab for you guys, but it has some gray veining. It's mostly a solid gray, but it has some veining throughout it, and it's just a nice neutral. I don't mind it at all. Like I said, this piece here, the counter, the island is this really beautiful light gray shade, and then like I said, the cabinets are white. I love even the hardware they chose, because I don't know if you guys knew this or remembered, but this was a spec home, which means a home that someone else put together and then just didn't end up getting. So it was a quick sale. And then this tile is so unique back here. As the light hits it, it kind of shifts and looks more of like an iridescence. But it is more of like a white, but depending on how the light hits it, it can be like slightly gray. There's my cooktop, it's so beautiful. I'm obviously overly excited. There's tons of space for storage. Like this opens obviously, and there's tons of space. Can we say Ray Dunn cabinet right there? Most likely. And then we do still have like a little nook here for our coffee station, and then we are bringing the fridge that we have at the other home to be right here. And then this is one fancy stove, okay? I'm so excited for this. This is microwave stove, but it has a touch screen. I don't want to mess with it right now, but it's so cool. I'm gonna have to learn how to use it. And on this side where the sink is, we just have more drawers, but there is this cool feature. We have our garbage and recycling bin hidden away, which I really like. And just a regular drawer. Can't wait to organize and make it look all pretty. And then, excuse the boxes on the counter, we're obviously moving in. But this is our sink, it pulls out, has different settings. It's just faster of a speed. And then it is the cast iron. And then going over into the pantry. It is just as big or possibly bigger than our pantry now, which I'm very excited about because I can also use this one side here for storage and pots and pans and stuff as well, because we don't need all of that for food stuff. And here's just another view of the great room. And then moving over to here. Obviously, I don't know my lights yet. There we go. There's a little nook right here that we might put a desk here. We might just put something, I don't know what we're gonna do yet. We will have cabinets here eventually, like install custom cabinets, but same thing for the laundry room, but that'll be a ways from now. Right now there's no cabinets in the laundry room, which might drive me a little nuts, but there's this little ledge here. So like I did at my other house, I'll just have baskets sitting up there for organization, and I might also put one of my furniture pieces here to have some extra space. But here's our laundry room. That's going out into the garage. You have a 3-car garage. There's nothing in there, so I'm not gonna really show that. Hey guys. So this is our half bath. We are probably gonna change out that mirror, and you can see that. Nothing much to that. Let me show you the light without it on so you can see how it looks. All right, and then going on to the other side of the home. In this corner is the master, and then down this hall is the kids' rooms and like the guest room and the beauty room kind of thing. All right, so down our little hall, I definitely can't wait to put a nice picture here or something. And then this is our master bedroom. I'm definitely gonna take my shoes off for this. So we do have a really nice Berber carpet. We chose not to get Berber in our other house just because we had planned to pull all the rugs out and continue the tile or do wood. But this carpet is so beautiful that we will definitely keep it for a while. Again, a lot of nice natural light. And the walls are all like a really light beige, almost gray, but it's a beige. Okay, are you ready for this? It's like a honeycomb pattern. And remember, I did not pick this. Somebody else did. So is that not meant to be our house or what? Honeybee themed even. Got just the toilet room here. But then are you ready for this, you guys? Seriously, so in love with this huge shower. And the best part is, ready for this? I don't think you're ready for this. A bench to shave my legs. Right, ladies? Do you feel me on that? And again, a lot of natural light coming through. And we have our vanity area. It's that same really pretty gray. Actually have like a little makeup station here. And then I love these Farmhouse towel holders. They actually drape like through this, if someone didn't know, because my mom actually asked about that. She was like, what? Why are they that way and not the other way? All right, and then the big walk-in closet. There's just extra carpet that they left here for us. And I've got some natural light even in my closet. So this side, like this corner is gonna be me. Chris said that I can have even more space if I wanted to. Like he said I could have this whole side, which was very kind of him. And he said he would just take this side and this corner, but we'll see. Walking around the corner to the other side, we have the den, and this is gonna be Chris's space pretty much again. Has double doors. It's kind of hard to show you guys. Hopefully you get the idea. Really nice size room. And then down this hallway, again, so much nice natural light with these big windows that literally almost go the entire length of the wall. And then we have 2 bedrooms on this side as well as a linen closet. Here's the linen closet. Lots of nice storage again. And this will be the guest bedroom / the kids' room because they will come and visit, of course, still. And obviously, since I have the other room, they don't always come together, the kids, but if they do, then we will also have an air mattress to have in the den. But this is the 1 bedroom. Not much to see, obviously, right now. Same carpet and a nice walk-in closet. And then this is Jack and Jill style. So what that means is that there's a bathroom in between 2 rooms, so that both rooms can enter. Similar cabinets and everything in here. Nice big mirror. Same light. And then we have the separate shower and toilet on this corner. And then this will be my filming room. I don't really want to call it my beauty room anymore because technically it's not. It's more like an office for me / filming room and editing room. And I do play in makeup in my room still, but I feel like it's turned into more of an office. And then I have a really nice walk-in closet as well that will, you guys know, is necessary. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing at least a little taste of our new home. And of course, I will be sharing with you along the way. I almost forgot to show you, there's also a little closet right here for storage too, which we plan to put like the kids' games and things like that so that they have that accessible as well. And I might as well just show you this closet since we're at it. It's actually a really nice size and it has some storage up top there. All of our thermostats are the Honeywell Home Pro Series, so I can actually adjust from my phone the air conditioning and heat and whatever. So I really love that feature. And also our garage door can be controlled with our phones too.